Hey, you wanna learn? Stop it, Yoinglish!
Yo guys, I hope you are doing good. So আজকের এই ভিডিওটা হচ্ছে যে আমরা যারা ইংরেজি শিখি কোনো প্রফেশনাল ট্রেনিং ছাড়া বা কারো মাধ্যমে আমরা শিখি না, আমরা নিজেরা নিজেদের উদ্যোগে শিখি। সো তারা যারা বিগিনার্স লেভেলে আছে তারা দেখতে চায় যে আমরা যারা নিজেরা শিখছি, লাইক দ্য ওয়ে আই লার্ন। সো ওয়েন আই স্পিক, যখন আমি ইংলিশ বলি অনর্গল চেষ্টা করি, তো তখন কিভাবে এটা সাউন্ড করে বা হাউ ডাজ ইট লুক লাইক। সো ওয়াচ ইট। আমাদের টপিকটা কি হবে? আওয়ার টপিক ইজ গোনা বি, let's take the topic of BCS question selecting. You know, we all know about the fact that there is one guy, actually he is, I don't know, a driver of someone who works in government related to BCS. So yeah, so he says that actually he leaked the questions and sold it. So he has been asked that what is he has done with the money that has he got in exchange of leaking the questions. He said, oh, well, I spent it on God's path. So did you hear that? He spent it on God's path. So what's my take on that? My take on that is it's not good here. BCS, actually, it's an important place. It's for the people who are talented. It's a really important place, you know. Actually, in BCS, the people who are in there, they actually run the country. They actually take the most important decisions. So I think most talented and deserving person should be selected there. So yeah, you cannot sell the questions. If you sell the questions, those who got money, they will buy it rather than those who have talent, you know. So here it collapsed, and I don't know, people actually get triggered just because he has tupi, you know, Muslim tupi, and he has beard, and he actually he pretends that he prays all the time, all the salats, you know, 5 times a day. So that is why I guess people get triggered. And if I were there, I don't think I would ever do that. I'm not someone who earns money by betraying. I'm not a betrayal, yeah, for sure. But I think he's just a driver, though he's claiming that he's a businessman, but he's a driver. But to leak such questions, to do that such ad, there are much bigger, you know, position holders involved in there. So I think the people who are responsible for that, I mean the authority, the law, should have a look on that. Yes, for sure. And there is another story is going on, and that's is protesting against quota. So people protesting against the quota. I just want to say one thing about that is, those people who are protesting, maximum of them are going to end up eventually corrupting, you know. I mean, suppose I'm protesting that there shouldn't be no quotas. So yeah, so I get a chance in government worker, and I'm government worker, but doesn't make a difference because I will corrupt. I'll end up corrupting, you know. There are exceptions, but exceptions cannot be taken for examples, you know. Remember that. So for today it's done. I'm done. So make sure to subscribe. We here in this channel, we actually try to teach people English grammar, the way we learn, the way we speak, how to speak faster, how to speak fluently, how to learn faster.